Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2022 Nissan Juke, stock number 7296. It's ran from the 3rd 2020 to the current shape. It's an F16 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the F16 1 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,